how to adjust a rattling liftgate in your Cadillac Escalade and similar GM vehicles. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. I'm in my 2015 and a half Escalade ESV. I picked up this truck pre-owned in excellent condition. There are a few small things I've had to fix over the time I've had it, and one of those things was a very loud rattle coming from the back of the truck, all the way in the back, and I could not figure out what it was. It got so bad that I had my wife drive the truck, and I sat all the way at the back in front of the liftgate to see if I could figure out where the noise was coming from. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the liftgate. So I sat back here and I listened, and I thought it might have been some of the interior trim pieces rattling around, but it wasn't that. What it actually was the liftgate was rattling and making a lot of noise. So the first thing I decided I would do is try to adjust the striker. Now this is pretty simple to do. You just need to pry up on the plastic cover. Once you get the plastic cover out, you'll see there's two screws right here, and they are T40 Torx screws. So if you get your T40, you can loosen easy, you can adjust the striker. However, that wasn't the issue with my liftgate, and I'll show you what it was actually doing. With the liftgate closed, you can see when I push on it, it actually moves. I'm going to shake it and you can hear it. So that was all the noise. It was the liftgate shaking. But the way that I stopped this was, it was not dealing with the striker. It wasn't dealing with the latch. There actually are bump stops right here on the side. There's one here, and we come around to the other side. There's a bump stop right here. And all you need to do is twist it counterclockwise and extend it out. So with those extended out further, I'm going to close the tailgate. So now when I shake it, it doesn't move or rattle at all. And this actually solved the issue of my liftgate rattling and shaking and making a bunch of noise when I was driving. And this is one of my favorite types of repairs. It doesn't cost you any money. It doesn't require you to use any tools. A simple adjustment and the issue is solved. So now when I go over the bumps, I no longer have that loud rattle from the liftgate. Everything is nice and quiet. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.